I honestly don't think this is going to work. Woohoo! Guys, I don't know. I am obsessed actually. In today's video I'm going to try out and test this overnight heatless blowout, which I saw recently on my feed and I was like, wow, I cannot sleep on that, you know what I mean? I love effortless, easy and effective things, so we are actually going to test it, how it works for me, how it might work for you. I saw her videos and I loved the hair. She even used this technique on the plane, and the idea that you get out of the plane and you have freshly blowout like from the salon is just wow. So shout out to you for creating those nice videos and ideas. I just freshly washed my hair. My hair is slightly moisturized. We are going to need few things. So you are going to need a pair of socks, which was very okay. And you are going to need FLEXI rods, which yeah, I bought them already a long time ago and I never tried them yet, so I don't want to sleep on that anymore. I want to try it and I want to have beautiful nice blowout tomorrow when I wake up. I'm also going to use some hairspray to fix the hair. She also puts over her hair for sleeping head. I don't have that, so I thought I can use, you know, some scarf or whatever t-shirt to just fix it and make sure it doesn't fall out. I have here 8 FLEXI rods. I think I have the thick ones, I don't know, I think you can get also a little bit thinner ones, so I think I might use 3 of them in one sock and I will try to do just 2 sections. I saw also actually videos with 3 sections. I have actually quite a lot of hair and long hair. I just want to show you how the FLEXI rods works, because you can adjust them and they just, you know, stay in the place. So I will put 3 FLEXI rods in the sock like this, and then we are going to roll it and then like this. Okay, take the first section here, and she was actually just literally brushing it to the front. I have recently also lots of layers in my hair, but the front part is actually short, so we will do it somewhere here. This part is very hard because I have there so many layers. Okay. I honestly don't think this is going to work, so I put there now some clips, 2 clips right here. I feel like it's going to fall apart any minute. Anyways, I'm going to post this video even if it doesn't work, so you can see the next day. Let me just do, yeah, the part here. Let's brush it a little bit. So, and in this other video she was also putting it, you know, up here. Brush it this way and that way. Fuck. Ow. Let's try it again. Like, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. Let me just do it like this. And now, like this, maybe. I feel like I'm looking like a Velma from the Flintstones. What do you think? And I think I have to grab some clips to clip it a little bit. Okay, I clip it, so I don't know, it looks like this from the behind. I was very excited about this, but I don't feel good about it at all. I don't think so this is gonna work. let's put over the scarf. Let's try to fix it as most as possible. Okay, maybe like this, and then I feel like the one here behind is not secure at all. So what I would do, I took actually one more scarf and I put it over the second part here, because I feel like that would just fell apart right away, and I feel it's secure. I feel it should be okay. I'm sleeping always on the side or on belly, on whatever, so I think that could work. I'm a little bit disappointed. I don't know. I thought it's gonna be easier, you know what I mean? The stuff, but actually it looks very easy. You know, sometimes it's not easy at all. Anyways, I am very excited for tomorrow. Looking crazy like this, I am just going to enjoy my evening, maybe cooking some food, you know, laying down by the couch, watching some movies, and I will meet you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I am back, still wearing this crazy thing, which is good sign because it held up through the night. I'm just having my morning coffee. I slept actually pretty good. It wasn't bothering me at all. I just had a shower, I had a nice breakfast, and now it's the time to reveal what's actually going on there. I am very curious about it. So let's just do it, I guess. Oh, is it still there? It's still there. Okay, this top one, it's okay, the other one is falling down. It is very loose. So let's first remove the clips. I hope it did something really. Okay, so the first down. Okay. What is this, please? I don't know. Should I spray it with the hairspray first? It feels it's, I don't know. It's a fail, I would say. All that for this. I guess it's not good hair day for me today. Okay, let's try the top part. I feel better about the top part. Yep, there is something going on. What is going on in here? I'm getting a little bit crazy vibes. Ooh, that's a little bit like 80s vibes or 90s or whatever. Let's fix it. Let's try to fix it. Let's try to not, you know, think negatively. I will try to put a hairspray, and then I will try to, I don't know, brush it and style it. I have also this comb, which is a little bit bigger than the other ones which I have, and it would be good for the waves. I don't know, maybe it won't be that bad when it sit a little bit, you know what I mean? Like this here is giving me pretty nice vibes, or maybe it's not going to be that bad how I thought. Yeah, I guess that's it. What do you think, guys? Let me see in the behind. Guys, I don't know. I am obsessed actually. I think it turned out actually very well. What do you think, guys? Comment below. I also did some video about Revlon blowout, so with this Revlon one-step voluminizer, which makes also very nice blowout, but this is a little bit different. You know, you can check this video out. I will leave this in the description. So we have now two different types of blowouts. So this one is heatless and, you know, overnight, and I feel like in this one is so much volume and, you know, some little curls, the hair is a little bit curly. I wasn't sure about it at all, and after I was putting down the first sock, it was disaster. Maybe, you know, I have lots of hair, my hair is also thick and it tends to be just, I don't have curly hair at all, it tends to be just straight. So I should do, you know, I should use next time 3 socks, so I would do 3 layers, because I think it was just two big sections and it didn't work at all for that. But at the end, I love it. At the end, I think, yeah, I feel good in it. I think I can go out today. I don't have to, yeah. I'm still trying to play with the carton bangs and see what I can get from it. Yeah, I think I don't have the mirror here, that's my problem. I need to put it somewhere so I can actually see myself. You know, maybe in a few hours it will sit a little bit, and you know how it is that in the evening your hair, or my hair actually, looks the best. But I think I could, like, yeah, play with that little bit, so I can even do the middle section like this. I don't know. But I actually like the one on the side, because I feel like it was very nice. So yeah, that's today's results for this video. I hope you like it. Show some love, hit a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.